Was the first Khalifa destined to chase in view of spiritual development of the mankind?
Please repeat.
Was the first Khalifa?
Huh?
Was the first Khalifa?
Which Khalifa?
First Khalifa.
Of whom?
I think from Promised Messiah Khalifa.
So
because
we
this question,
that, because
this
the
question,
first Khalifa is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu. So the immediately mind goes to him.
Yes.
So that's why I'm inquiring again. Yes, please.
Destined to chase in view of spiritual development of the mankind. This question from Russia.
From?
Russia.
Aisha.
Russia.
Russia. What did he do to improve the spiritual improvement?
Yes, was he for the mankind of spiritual development of the mankind?
It's a strange question. It is invalid question because Hazrat Masih Maud was a spiritual Khalifa to Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, appointed by God. And because Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was universal and came to improve the quality of human life universally, so that's what he did. So how could Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Awwal do anything else? Naturally, if he was a true Khalifa, he should have done the same thing. So the question is meaningless and invalid.